Now let's take a look at a few different ways how we can look at our workspace using different types of views. So the default view that we are in right now is just a list view. And we can see that right here at the top that we are currently in the list view. So in this view, we just have all the tasks here in a list, and they're also separated into different statuses that we are using in this list. Now, another default view that we have is the board view, which we can switch to by clicking on board here at the top. And in the board view, we can basically see all of the different statuses of our tasks in different columns. So we have one column for the tasks in the to-do status, then we have the progress column, the in review, and then complete. And to change statuses for our tasks, all we have to do is just drag and drop that task from this column into the next one. And then again, once it's in the review stage, we can just drag it into this stage. Personally, I like to use this view for creating my YouTube videos. So I have a column for my ideas, then I have a column for preparing the content or script writing, then there's one for recording, for editing, uploading, and so on. Another view that can be very useful, especially if you're working with deadlines, is the calendar view. And we currently don't have that activated here for this list. So we need to add it by clicking on the plus view button. And then here we can find all kinds of different views. And here we have the calendar view. So let's click on it, and then we can just click on add calendar. And now we have also added the calendar view to this list, which we can see here. And for all the tasks that actually have a due date, we should be able to see it in here. So for example, the schedule first meeting will be due tomorrow, February 29th. We can also go to the next month here, and then we can see a few more tasks here with a due date. We can also click on them and then add some comments to it or make any changes to this task. And to get back to the original list view, we can just close the task, and then here at the top, we can switch from calendar view to the original list view.